No one likes the rain. The chickens are all soaked. What are you guys doing? Are you hiding out in the barn? You guys don't like it, eh?
Elsa! Elsa! Chewy. Chewy.
Could you guys be any cuter?
Yeah. Chewy says yes.
Mav, how clean are you now?
Map, map,
Let's go look down and see. Hey, big boy. Are you all clean now?
Yeah. Think you are, Maverick. Oh, he's like swish, swish. He looks like a swan with his
Willow.
wings up.
Yeah, he's cleaning his wings, his feathers.
Willow, stop
What are you
sniffing.
doing, Willow? Hey, buddy. Cleaning up? Oh, it feels good, eh?
He's like, I don't have time to talk.
No, no time to talk. Just cleaning. Cleaning his mohawk up. Oh.
That feel good, Maverick? That feel
Handsome
good?
boy now.
I think he said
Look at that
yes.
handsome boy
I think that's a yes.
with his mohawk. Let's see. Are these feathers clean?
Hey,
Hey,
don't
bud.
hiss at me. Put up your mohawk. Do a little mohawk, Maverick. You're biting yourself.
No, he's cleaning the wings.
He's biting him. Right off now.
Okay, we'll leave you alone, buddy. Enjoy.
Oh, stop running.
What's she doing over there?
Who? Elsa. Elsa.
She's sitting underneath the picnic table. They do not like to get wet.
Oh, and Oma is just hiding behind the one thing in the barn.
Oh, it's so muddy, guys. It's stinky and muddy. Colonel, you're standing in the food dish. Willow! Elsa? What are you doing under there? What are you guys eating? Hi, Anna. You're like, nope, not coming out today. You be a good girl. You leave him alone. I think these are all shelves. Hey everyone, we got this little greenhouse on Marketplace and I don't know how it's supposed to be put together, it's just a small one. Thought it might work for my seedlings. So we'll see if I can get it together. No, you're not in there. There. No, that'll get mad. Oh, I have no idea what I'm doing. They probably go like this then. You don't want the third one? I do. I'm not sure where yet. How? And maybe the tarp might have a spot for it. Do you think that'll hold it down? Sure. Yeah. So, there's a zipper up in the back of it. Yeah, for air. So you need to go around and over. I'm trying to get the. What's to stop it from just sliding up, right? I don't know how to control it. Only one way to learn. Do it on the grass, maybe.
What is Daddy doing?
Just wait, honey. Just wait, Jasmine. Willow's scared of it.
Go higher, Daddy.
You confused, Chewy? He went in and hid. Might crash. Whoa! Wow!